Nandito ako sa Makati, all alone. I don't know what to do. I'm just contemplating about everything kasi wait, parang I'm sensing something. I'm sensing an angel.
Angel? Ano pangalan mo? Taga saan ka?
I am Zach Castañeda, aka Zach. And I'm from Las Piñas. I'm a South boy.
Grabe, LDR tayo.
Kaya nga eh. Honestly, if you guys really love each other, eventually you guys will find a way to meet, diba? I tend to cling on to that.
Clingy ka ba?
Yeah, I'm a hugger. I just don't look like a hugger. I actually look kinda intimidating to other people, pero honestly, I'm just a teddy bear. Pero in reality, I'm Espanyol and German and Filipino.
Are you mine?
I mean, if you want to,
Ayoko eh.
pwede tayo mag-show.
Kung meron tayong show, ano ang show natin?
Slasher.
Slasher film.
Ikaw yung killer, ikaw yung victim.
Ako yung final girl eh. Mga virgin kasi. Sila yung huli, hindi na mamatay.
Oh, ganyan yung mga trope, no? Ako yung murder.